I'm so happy we found the time for this camp trip.
Yeah, I can barely get out of work. Detective, what are you doing here?
Yeah, detective, where did the news?
You must be careful.
The serial killer on the loose. Oh, thank you. Well, thank you for your concern, detective. Go home. We definitely don't want to get killed. Good night. Good night.
Oh, I actually totally forgot about it.
Come to think of it, I did get a really strange phone call the other night.
Yeah, me too. And what did it say?
Like something about I should take the perfect portrait or something?
Yeah, and did you do it?
As if. What do you want to take today?
Chicken wings?
What's spaghetti?
Okay. I wanted to tell you that last night I received a strange phone call. It was about some picture that I need to take or something like that. Otherwise I will die.
This is so scary.
I know, right?
Look, this is the scariest part.
Why are we watching horror movie?
I don't know.
I have strange feeling that somebody watching us.
Lisa, what, Mom? Did you get the call?
Which call?
The call about the picture.
Yes, I got it.
Did you take the picture?
Hi.
Are you talking about the picture?
Yes.
I heard you talking about the call.
We are looking for the person behind the call.
Look, my phone is ringing. Who's calling you? I don't know. I don't number. You know. Hello? Yes, it's me. No. Yes. No. What? Someone just called and told me scary things. Don't worry, everything will be alright. Really? I'm sure.
I'm so happy I'm with you.
Oh, yes, I'm glad too.
Now we can be together forever.
No one can separate us now.